What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be installing front plate delete on my 2021 Honda Civic Type R because the dealership decided to drill some holes for the front plate. I'm in Cali, so that's why they did it, and even though I asked them not to they still did it. So I bought this Perrin front plate delete. So that's gonna fix my problem, hopefully, and I hope it fits good. So what comes in the package should be just two bolts, and I guess some instructions for some reason. That's what it's gonna look like. So where's the other part? Okay, so here it is, and I hope the holes line up, and looks like we're gonna have no issues. So if you're looking for one, I will link it down in the description below. It should be pretty easy install. All you need is a screwdriver from Harbor Freight. If you don't have one, you can get one there. Pretty affordable. But yeah, so this is what the car, what the front of the car looks like with ugly ass holes. Someone install it really quick and I'll show you guys what it looks after. Okay, so I got a thumbnail for the video, but so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me, in my opinion. So if you have the holes for the front plate, you could get this. It fits if you're looking for one. I believe there's a part number here, but I bought it in MAP performance. So if you're looking for one, make sure you get yourself one of these. It fits good, it looks good, the quality of it, it's good as well, because this is metal, so it's not plastic. If you wanted to, you could probably ceramic coat it and it should look a little bit shinier. They provide the hardware for it, so yeah. I mean, of course it kind of looks weird, but I'd rather see that than the two holes. So here it is, and if you wanted to, you can actually put like something in between so it won't scratch up your bumper, but I don't really care because I'm gonna do the clear protection plastic that goes on the bumper, so I'm not really worried about this. But yeah, so there it is, guys. If you're looking for one, make sure you cop yourself one. It will be down in the description below. Thank you, guys.